Hello, folks. This is Dr. Ken Sproul. You may have seen me or heard about me before. Some of you maybe had me as an instructor for Biology 250. We're going now into Biology 251, and we start on Monday, February the 6th. I'm going to be making a lot of videos that hopefully will help you, and they'll be posted in YouTube. I'll let you know the specifics later. This one is relatively short, or will be, and I'm just giving you some very general information. Of course, this is a 16-week 4-credit course. It goes right along hand in hand with Biology 250. Together, these two courses will allow you to go into any professional program that you might want to in the medical field or technological field. Okay, I am I'm retired from the Air Force. I spent 25 years in the active duty Air Force and then in the Indiana Air National Guard. First, I was an aeronautical engineer for about 12 years. I resigned my commission, went back to medical school, did a residency in family medicine, and then set up practice here in a small city in Indiana, and practiced here for about another 20 or 25 years. I have been blessed to have had lots and lots of opportunities to do many different things. So, as a retired physician, listen to me now, I can be an unbelievably good source of information for you. And I beg you, I am retired, as you can probably see from my gray hair. I'm old, and I'm not doing anything other than teaching here for APUS. So I beg you, please reach out to me for help whenever you need it or might want it. Okay? I will tell you that over and over and over again. Okay. Now, as I mentioned, I am in the process of making videos for each chapter in your textbook. I also have a section of Biology 250 going on right now, and I have lectured from chapters 1 through 11 and have 5 more to go for them. But I'm going to skip ahead to chapter 17 and on that we will cover. Here's another for your information. We have lots of cats here, and they may wander across my camera. Saw one right behind me. Forgot where I was. Anyway, I will be making a lot of videos that might help you, along with reading the information in your textbook. Some of you maybe learn better by hearing things. I am not going to lecture on everything that's in every chapter. That is impossible. But I will point out what I consider to be the most important parts of these different chapters. Remember, you are not in medical school or dental school or any professional program right now. You're only getting prerequisites. Even though our textbook is quite detailed, there are many things in there that I really do not expect you to learn or know about. At the same time, I will say that I don't write the exams. There's a huge data bank that the course director can use to make up the exams that you will see during the course. But I know that by reading, by doing the simple things that we'll talk about here in a minute, you'll be able to pass this course and even get an A. I want you each to be able to somehow print off your syllabus. There is so much information in there that I want you to have at hand, close at hand, right at your fingertips. Besides telling you all of the different things you'll be doing, there is a week-by-week schedule. So as long as you know what week we're in, you will know what work you are supposed to do during that week. Okay, skip to, there's no page numbers in here. At the bottom of one of the first 4 pages or so, there is what the writer of this syllabus called a grading formula. This tells you what you are going to be doing during these 16 weeks in order to get a grade, and how much that each of these pieces is worth. During the 16 weeks, you will write and do 16 forum exercises. Now, these are perhaps a little different than you've seen in other courses. For these exercises, you are going to be asked to discuss something that's in your textbook in a particular chapter, and then to ask questions of your classmates. You then are to go and read the other classmates, here comes another cat, to read the other classmates' forums and to post an answer, to do some research and post answers for them. So in order to get full credit for a forum exercise, you have to post your own forum with questions and then reply to at least 2 of your classmates. There are 16 forums in the 16 weeks, and altogether they are worth 10% of the course. There are 13 what are called Learn Smart activities. In the text, I don't know if you took Biology 250 from APUS, you know how to go into McGraw-Hill Connect using the menu that's on the left side of your screen when you log into the course. And when you read each chapter, if I scream, it's because this little kitten that's right there stuck her claw in my finger. She loves to do that. So there's 13 chapters for you to read, and at the end of each of them is a Learn Smart activity that should get you an easy 100%. Those 13 exercises or activities are worth another 10%. When you look in the course itself, under activities, you will see 6 lab reports that you will do. Those altogether are worth 30%. There are 4 unit exams that are usually about 35 to 40 questions, multiple choice type questions. Together, those 4 exams are worth 35%. And then you will have one final exam during the last week that is worth 15%. The unit exams, you are told ahead of time which chapters that they will cover. Okay, now that's everything I think that I want to talk about in the syllabus. I mentioned that there is a week-by-week listing of everything. It gives you the week number, the topic, the general learning objectives that you'll see in the syllabus, the reading assignment, and then the assignments for things to do. Now, for example, we start on Monday, February 6th, and end at midnight the following Sunday, which would be the 12th, midnight on the 12th of February. During that week, you are instructed to do an introduction forum so that I can get to know you and so your classmates get to know you. There are instructions, again, telling you what we want included in that. You are to post your own forum and then reply to at least 2 of your classmates. You will read chapter 17 in your textbook, which covers the endocrine system, and do the Learn Smart exercise covering chapter 17. And then you will do assignment number 1, which is not for any credit, but it is called the lab safety video. Now, we want, with that little exercise or assignment, to be able for you to see how to use another software program called Kaltura that you will find in the text or in the classroom, to make a video and then to send it to me. A lot of people have had a lot of trouble sometimes making videos. One of the biggest problems is that you try to make them too long. That's why my videos will all be in YouTube. Okay, that goes for week 1, and then on through week 16. That is the wrap-up week and the final exam. I am going to close this short little blurb. I hope that you can hear and see me okay. I later on this afternoon am going to make another video that covers chapter 17. Each of these chapter videos will take usually 20 or 25 minutes. You cannot get by with just watching the videos without reading the textbook. So it's a good idea to at least have scanned through the chapters before you look at my video and before you go back in and read in any great detail. Okay, that's taken 12 minutes. I'm going to post this to YouTube, and I will give you the address that you can use in order to find this video. Thanks for your attention, and I hope each of you gets a chance to watch these videos. Otherwise, it's kind of a waste of time if I'd made them, isn't it? All right, talk to you more later.